Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Greg Bridges with Trading the Pips. So today what I got in front of me, man, is my Euro USD 52-week pip movement. So basically what I've done is I went ahead and I went back 4 years from 2016 to 2020 right now, and I'm showing you pretty much what's happening with the pips, how far they moved up or down within that area. So you see that they're averaging out at close to about 13,000 pip movements a year, except for the year 2019 when we have only 6,800 in pip movements, and in the year 2016, which was like 12,000, right? But if you take away from the pip movement in 2017, give it to 2019, along with a few pips from 2020 right now, a few pips from 2018, and it actually will average out at around 2019 at 1,300. So all 5 years or 4 years will actually average out around 13,000 pips or less. And so that's just my personal belief, man, about averaging the pips and seeing what we come up with. But so right now we see that the market is at 118,214. We see that its high right now for 52 weeks is right around 121.11. That's for the year 2020. But we also see the line right here of a high of 52 week back in 2017. So we're right there close to what that line is, which was 129.23. Are these the exact numbers? No, they are not. They're just going off the wick. So it could be a little bit higher, it could be less. We have to go back and do some research on that. But we're just going off the naked eye right now. So, and then you have your high for year 2018. That's all the way up here, right? So what we see is the high was 125,607. So what do we think may happen? If we're going off of what happened back in the past, 2017, we see that it hit its high right around here, and then it started dropping down. It went around to the 2016's 52-week high, used it as a support, and then we saw it kind of go up, go sideways in a sense. You know, it went down a bit and went sideways, and then we saw it just skyrocket and go up to make our 2018 high, right? After that, it just collapsed and went down, and it actually went back down to that 2016, used it as a resistance shortly, and then it cut through, kind of went back up, and then it cut through again. We just saw it just collapse, right? Went straight down, right? So we go over here to 2020. Obviously, we have some super low areas where it went to in the market. Obviously, it climbed up 13,761 pips overall, where it climbed to, right? So overall, if you had bought down here like I did at one point, and if you held, you would have came out with some good money. But we believe right now that, or I should say I believe that what I am expecting to see is possibility that it'll hit that line. We'll see it go up, and I believe it'll hit somewhere around there, and then make sure I don't mess anything up right here real quick. And then I believe we'll see it go down. If it goes up to that area, we'll see it go down to right around this mark. Possibly it'll use it as a support area, and what I'll do is I'll turn you back to green. Hit that area, turn it back, and it's a possibility that we may even see it. It's a possibility we may even see it continue to go right around the support area. Possibility. And then we'll do it again, the green. I believe we're going to watch it cut through, and we're going to watch it go back up close to that area. You know, so once again, these are just my ideas. And once again, we'll do the same thing right around here. It'll probably cut through just a bit. We'll do like that. And then once again, we'll do this. Another one. We'll do that. And what we'll do is move it around to right around here. And we'll do that. So one last one. It actually may cut into, yeah. So hopefully you guys following what I'm writing or drawing. So I believe we're gonna go up, hit around this support, this resistance line, and we're gonna see it drop down. So possibility right here, we're gonna see it actually reverse, go up, go over here to our 2018 line, and then we'll see it drop down right around the 2020. What line is that? That's the 2017 high. We'll see it drop right there, and then from there, I believe we could possibly start seeing, you know, get into choppy territory. But I believe at some point it's gonna continue to drop down, or it could go down and keep going down to right around that 2016 high. Use it as a resistance. We see it go up a little bit, right above our 2017 high. We'll see it reverse and go back down a little bit under our 2020. Then we see it just go up, and it'll hit right around or close to the 2018 resistance area. Now, I ultimately believe that we're gonna watch it go down, and what I'll do is I'll just place a down marker. I ultimately believe we're gonna watch it go down, and when it goes down, it's gonna be somewhere in the 113 range. So I'll just put it right there. So I ultimately believe that we're gonna watch it scroll down to about the 113 range if it goes up to the 115 range. Because basically 125 range, I'm sorry. So 125 all the way down to 110 would be what, 115 would be about 10,000 pips. If you add the 13, the other 13, 113 will put us right around that 13,000 pip range. So I believe that at some point next year, 2021, we're gonna watch it drop down to about around that range. But I believe it's gonna stay choppy right around this area at some point, and then finally we'll see our low right around that range before we watch it go into 2022 or so. But yeah, that's what I believe may happen. Obviously, you guys can leave your comments and let me know what you think. Possibly put your own stuff up here and tell me what you believe is gonna go, and which way you think is gonna go, and hopefully you guys make a little bit of money off. Anyway, this is Greg Bridges, trading the pips. Talk to you later. Bye.